Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Chevrolet Camaro and this is by Tomica or Takara Tomy, and this is 1:66 scale, and this one is the Asia original edition. Again, we unboxed this Corvette last time, so I really don't know the difference between the Asia original edition and the other editions. If any one of you guys know about these differences, please drop it in the comments, so it will help me to learn some things. Okay, let's unbox and see how this one looks. Oh my god, it's really stuck. Okay. Okay. So here's the box. So for the Asia original edition, you can see this lettering here, A0, this kind of thing. So again, I'm not sure what it means. Okay, this one also I bought from, I think, Slam Wheels, if I'm not wrong. So I bought it for somewhere around 500 and I think 550 rupees. Yeah, which is a decent price if you ask me. Okay, wow. I can see me already liking this casting. Okay. So the initial impressions of this car are, this is heavy. It is not a light car or casting. So the headlights are actually painted, but it has good, logo placement and the logo detailing, this SS especially. And the grill is actually, it's embossed on top of that. It is painted. So it has some moving part, it seems. Let's get to that, soon. So the tail lights are also painted. So the paint job is really nice. It is like pearl white, you can say. It looks really beautiful. It is actually very smooth to touch. Just like I think when we unboxed the Countach, we faced the same thing, if I'm not wrong. It has some good detailing, in the interior as well, as you can see. Okay, let's open it. Yeah, it has openable parts. That is a really nice addition, if you ask me. So the Tomica uses a different kind of hinge compared to Hot Wheels or Majorette in this case. And it snaps really nice compared to Majorette ones. It snaps really nice. So it has some kind of hood detailing here for air intake, but it is actually not any hole there. So it has actually pretty decent detailing on the bottom. Okay, so the body is made of metal and the chassis is made of plastic, if you guys are wondering. So let's see if it has a suspension. Yeah, it does have suspension. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, it rolls okay. It is not fast, but it rolls really nice. It is not very well, but it has some wheel wobble, specifically on the rear wheel. But anyway, it is really good. It's really a good casting. I personally like this one. Tomica ones are really nice, if you ask me. If you want good quality, in your cars, specifically around this 500 range, I personally suggest to buy Tomica ones because they never actually, go bad, if you ask me. They never cease to amaze me for the price point which they are actually offering us compared to other brands. And next to that one is Majorettes. So Majorettes also has a lot of beautiful castings in this price range. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.